Hello guys, welcome to Logic Hub. In this video, we can find the value of this question, which is 100 minus 50 open parenthesis 100 minus 50. So how can we find the value of this question? If you are talented, then stop the video, and before watching the video, comment of this question that which option is correct. Option A is 2500, option B is 2000, option C is minus 2400, and option D is none. Now guys, tell that which option is correct. But guys, if you are student and do not know about this type of question, that how we can solve it, then in this video I can solve these questions step by step. So do not skip this video because it is very important for you. In this video, first of all, I can understand you the basic order operation rule, which is called PEMDAS, where P stand for parentheses, E stand for exponent, M stand for multiplication, D stand for division, A stand for addition, and S stand for subtraction. Guys, I can write it again. Parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and the last one, which is subtraction. Okay guys, now I can start the question, but before the question I can tell you the logic of PEMDAS. Guys, in PEMDAS, parentheses have much higher priority than other operation like multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. And guys, exponent have higher priority than other operation. But guys, remember that multiplication and division have higher priority than addition and subtraction. And one thing which you can remember, that multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to from left to right. Similarly, addition and subtraction have equal priority, and we have to from left to right. Okay guys, now I can start the solution of this question, so I can remove this rule. Guys, here parentheses have present. In PEMDAS, we can say that parentheses have higher priority than other operation. So firstly we can solve parentheses. So I can write as it is 100 minus 50 open parentheses 100 minus 50 is just 50. Okay guys, now here one multiplication and one subtraction is present, but in PEMDAS we can now say that multiplication have higher priority than subtraction. So firstly we can solve multiplication. So I can rewrite 100 minus 50 times 50 equal to 200, 2500. Okay, now here guys, when we simplify this, then the answer is minus 2400. Guys, now tell that which option is correct in the above option. Option A, option B, option C, and option D. Comment that which option is correct. Guys, if you enjoy this video, then kindly subscribe to my channel for more this type of amazing videos.